Hi everyone, and welcome or welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a triple/treble crochet stitch. The term is interchangeable. This is one of the tallest basic stitches, so if you're looking to add height and texture to a project, or you want your project to build up faster, this stitch is perfect for you. So grab your yarn and your hook, and let's do it. The first thing to know about a treble stitch is when working into the chain, or when you're starting your next row, most patterns will call for a turning chain that is 4 chains long. And so crochet whatever your pattern calls for plus 4. And the turning chains will give you that length so your stitch isn't being pulled down. You're going to start by yarning over 2 times. And now you'll have 3 loops on your hook. Try not to wrap it too super tightly. And so now you're going to insert your hook into the stitch or space where you want to work the triple crochet. If you're working into the chain, then insert your hook into the top loop of the chain. Once your hook is in place, yarn over again by wrapping the yarn from the back to the front. Pull the yarn through the stitch or space. At this point, you should have 4 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over again and pull through the first 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over once more and pull through the next 2 loops on your hook. Now you should have 2 loops left on your hook. Finally, yarn over one last time and pull through the remaining 2 loops on your hook. And that's it. You've just made a triple treble crochet. Let's do that a couple more times. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. And there we go. I love to make the triple crochet because it's so tall and fun to make once you get the hang of it. A key thing you want to focus on is keeping a nice even tension so that all of your stitches end up the same height. This is definitely one that can feel a little trickier, but practice makes perfect, and I know that you can do it. Treble crochets are perfect for lacy patterns, lightweight shawls, and any other designs where you want both height and openness. If you have any questions or concerns, please let me know in the comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, good luck on your crochet journey.